Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to delete products on Squarespace website. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, you're going to tap on Commerce. After selecting Commerce from the menu option on the left hand column, you are going to tap on Inventory. Then once you have selected Inventory, you will see a list of all of the products that are on your Squarespace website. And you can select the product that you would like to delete, as you can see right here, by simply tapping on the box in line with the product. Then beside the price option, you are going to tap on the three dots and you will see the option delete, and you are going to tap on that, and that's it. You'll tap on delete again, and that's how to remove a product from your Squarespace website. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.